4 o'clock. Last class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Shall I start now? What is your class?
Only 28 students.
What is your class strength, Nana?
95, sir.
95 means 31. That is the interest. 2 sections are there, no?
Each 95, sir.
Each 95. Okay, they go to hell. You see what I did? These different combinations I was taking. Okay, na? These are the 3 different combinations. Homozygous dominant, heterozygous, and recessive. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, Abhay?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
For this, I represented 3 E letter. This combination, this combination, this combination. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Again, same. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 121. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is genotype equation. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
1 plus 1, 2 plus 2,
4.
4.
1 plus 1,
2.
2.
121, 242, 121.
121.
Total progenies, total offsprings, how many?
16.
16 are there. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you see your checkerboard. Capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R. How many are there?
1.
1.
In your book, capital Y, like this it is. There, no? One and the
Yes,
same.
sir.
Now you see capital Y, capital R, small r, this combination. Two are there, you see.
Yes, sir.
You see the checkerboard, Nana? It is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You see this combination as per your NCERT book. Both the capital Y, small r. Means in your book you will find like this. One is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one. Capital Y, small y, capital R, capital Y, small y. One is there. Sorry, two is there.
Yes, sir.
Capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. In your book, it is there. Capital R, capital Y, small. Like oblique, you see like this. You will get 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there a?
It's less.
4 are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Small r, capital Y, small y. 2 are there?
Yes, sir. 12.
Yes, sir.
Last 16th column you see. Small r, small y, small y.
One is.
One is-
1.
So like that. Now you got the idea, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So you will remember, no? Instead of drawing the checkerboard, you can remember. What I did simply 3 groups I consider. Like this, like this, like this. Dominant, heterozygous, recessive. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So I added 3 combinations. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. R, like this. Continue same. Okay, na? 121, 242, like this. Okay. Now you tell me what is the phenotype? Phenotype.
Round yellow.
Okay, in your book round yellow, I am writing yellow. Okay.
Yellow.
Next,
Yellow round.
Yellow green.
Yellow wrinkle.
Yellow, green. Sorry, sir.
yellow.
Wrinkle.
Wrinkle.
Next,
Yellow round.
Yellow.
Yellow, wrinkle.
so the yellow round you cannot find in last case. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Even yellow wrinkle also you cannot find. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So in last combination, green only you can find. Chalo.
Green round.
Green
Green.
round.
Green. Okay, na? Green.
Yes, sir.
Round.
Round.
Round and wrinkle.
Wrinkle.
Wrinkled.
Wrinkled.
Green and wrinkle. Okay. Chalo. Yellow round, how many are there?
4.
4, sir. 4.
Jampesta.
9.
Nine, no?
9.
Nine,
Orange.
yes.
Yellow round 1, yellow round 2, yellow round 2, yellow round 4. Total
9.
9, sir.
9. Yellow wrinkle.
3.
3, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Green round.
3.
3.
Green wrinkle.
1.
1.
What is the phenotypic ratio?
9:3.
9:3:3:1.
Genotypic ratio.
1:2.
1:20.
1:2.
1:42 and
1:1.
Okay. It is easy, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will ask the questions. You should tell the answer. What is the probability of round yellow?
50.
9/16.
Probability of round yellow.
9/16.
Probability of round and yellow. How much now?
9/16.
9/16.
12/16 into 12/16. No? Round how many by first? Round and yellow. In this, how many rounds are there out of 16? 12/16. No?
12, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
12 na?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes.
round and yellow separately or yellow round seeds?
Yellow. Okay, I will take here yellow. Okay. Yellow, how many are there? 12/16. Huh?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So that means 4/16. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Round.
Sir, 3/4,
So
Sir,
how is it
3/4,
4/16?
no, sir.
3/16.
No, sir,
Correct.
3/4.
3/4, sir.
Okay, sorry, extremely small. 3 by round 12/16.
9/16.
Correct? Huh? So that means yellow round 3/4 into 3/4 is equal to 9/16.
9/16. Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Next, probability of yellow and wrinkle. Huh? Okay, na? Yellow how much, na? 3/4? Huh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sir.
Wrinkle
4/16.
1/4.
4/16 means 1/4, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3/16.
16.
Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, green and round. Probability of green, how much?
3/16.
3/16 is equal to
1/2.
1/4. Correct? Huh?
Yes.
Round.
So green
12/16.
So
4/16.
how is 3/16 equal to 1/2?
Green is 4/16. Round is 12/16.
Green I am talking.
3/16 on this.
4/16.
4/16.
Okay, na? 4 1
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here,
3/4.
3/4.
so what is the probability?
Green and red probably is 9. 3/16.
3/16.
1/4 into 3/4. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So how much, Nana? 3/16. Correct? Huh?
3/16. Yes, sir.
Green and wrinkle.
1/16.
1/16.
1/16. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So this is about the probability. Followed now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, in F2 generation, how many parental type of phenotypes are found? Total number of parental type of phenotypes.
2 parent.
4.
And
Total number of progenies formed.
10.
Total number
10.
of parental phenotypes formed in F2 generation.
10.
10, sir.
Dominant parental type.
9.
9, sir.
Recessive parental type.
1.
1,
1.
1.
Total number of parental type of genotypes formed in F2 generation.
10 genotype.
Parental type.
9 genotypes.
2 no?
Yes.
yes, sir.
Capital Y, capital Y, capital R. Only one. Small y, small y, small r, 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Parental type, no? Only parental type of genotypes, how many?
2.
2 type.
Out of 16, 2 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Dominant parental type of genotype?
9.
Joy, 1.
1.
I am not asking phenotype, genotype I am asking.
Yes, sir.
Dominant parental type of phenotypes?
9,
9.
9.
Dominant parental genotype?
1,
1.
Recessive parental phenotype?
1.
1.
Recessive parental genotype?
1.
1.
1,
Correct. Total number of recombinations?
6,
6.
6,
6.
Total types of recombinations?
2.
2,
Huh?
2, sir.
Types.
2 types. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Total types of genotypes for recombinants?
2 genotypes.
2 genotype.
Oy, korta, champesta. 4, no?
4.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? This is
Yes, sir.
recombinant, kada? Yellow wrinkled recombinant, no?
Yes, sir.
This is one type of genotype,
Yes, sir.
and this is one type of recombinant.
Yes, sir.
Next, small y, capital R. One type of recombinant. Total how many types of genotypes for recombinants?
4 types.
4.
Ratio phenotype is to genotype? 1:1, no? Sorry, extremely sorry.
The phenotype is 6, no, sir.
2:1, no? Genotype is to phenotypes? How many types of genotypes?
4 types. 4,
For
How
recombinant.
many types of phenotypes? 2 types,
Six.
no?
2 types.
This is for yellow wrinkle,
Sir,
correct?
recombinants for phenotype is 6, no, sir, and for genotype 4, no, sir.
Types. Okay. 6. Okay. Correct. You are right. And the genotypes for the this is phenotype for the green and round.
Round.
The ratio of genotypes for the recombinants is to phenotypes
2:1.
2:1 because genotypes are 4 and phenotypes are 2. So what is the answer? 2:1, no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, in the morning you said phenotype is 3 plus 3, 6, you said, no, sir.
Padanana?
Sir, in the morning you said 6, no, sir, recombinant.
Number is 6. How many total?
6,
Types?
2.
2. Here, number of types of genotypes. How many types for recombinants? 4 types, no? Nana, what are these genotypes? Arey amma, these are genotypes for what? Recombinants or parental type of?
Recombinants.
Recombinant.
The recombinant genotypes, how many are there? How many types
Four.
are there?
4.
4 times.
But number of types of recombinants?
6.
2. 2.
2. Total number?
6.
6.
6.
If I am asking types of recombinant phenotypes means what is your answer?
2.
Total number of progenies for recombinant phenotypes?
6.
Followed up?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now my question is total number of types of genotypes and types of phenotypes ratio.
Yes. 2:1.
2:1.
Followed up?
Yes, sir.
No confusion, no? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Sir,
No,
what is the total number of recombinants of genotype?
Total number of?
Recombinants of genotype.
Total number. You calculate total number. How many? 6 it should be present. How many are genotypes are there? Capital Y, this how many are there? One type, no?
One.
Next, 2, no?
Yes, sir.
This is 1, this is 2. Again, this is 1 and this is 2. Yes or no? Total how many? 6, no?
Yes, sir.
Number of genotypes for the recombinant 6. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Types are
4.
4 types.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
This is 6 for
4 times.
Recombinant.
Number of genotype.
whom?
Recombinant.
Recombinant.
4 is for
Types of genotypes of recombinants.
genotypes for recombinant. Followed up. Any
Yes,
confusion?
sir.
No?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No.
Go. No. How many double heterozygous types are formed? Double heterozygous genotypes.
What do you mean by double heterozygous?
Sir, 4, sir.
4.
What is this? Heterozygous or homozygous?
Heterozygous.
How many
Heterozygous.
Heterozygous.
How many heterozygous here?
1.
1.
One.
Okay. got it.
Now I asked
Double heterozygous.
12.
double heterozygous. How many?
4.
Correct? No? 4, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Capital Y, small y. 1 heterozygous. Capital R, small r. One more. Total how many heterozygous?
2 heterozygous.
Double homozygous, how many?
2.
Oi. Double homozygous means you tell
4.
me.
4, sir. 4, sir.
You should
4,
be like
sir.
this.
Yes,
Huh?
sir. 4.
Yes, sir.
You should be like this. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Small y, small y.
You see here. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, so double homozygous is to double heterozygous ratio is 1:1. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me. Single homozygous, how many?
For 8.
Single homozygous.
0.
3.
Single
Eight.
homozygous.
12, sir.
Yes, sir.
See. Single homozygous. It is also known as automatically become
Single heterozygous.
single heterozygous. Our paper setter asked the number of mono hybrid types we will ask. Which type, Nana?
Monohybrid.
Monohybrid also like this only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hybrid with capital T means mono means single. How many total you count it? This one, huh?
Middle.
Correct, huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It's single homozygous. This is single
Heterozygous.
Heterozygous.
or monohybrid type. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Single heterozygous, single homozygous. Single heterozygous, single homozygous. Total how many till now?
3.
6, sir.
Year
6.
2, year 2, year 2.
Six.
Next.
8.
Followed up.
Yes, sir.
All.
Any doubt? Huh?
No.
No, sir.
Now you got the clarity, no?
Yes.
Yes.
అర్థమైందా అందరికి?
Got
Yes.
it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So our papers, sir, they will ask this type of questions. Okay, na? Be careful.
Yes.
You have noted down, no, this one?
Yes.
One.
Noted.
Yes, sir.
Now, I will go for the 4-line method for gamete formation. Okay, na? Which method, Nana?
4th.
4-line method. That okay. Okay. You will take capital A, small a, capital B, small b. How many types of gametes can possible?
4 times.
4 times. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4 types of gametes can be found. Positive. Okay, Nana? Here A I was taken. Okay, na? Here I was taken A. Okay, any doubt? Huh? Fork shape. Okay, na? 4-plane. That's why we use the term fork. Fork. Okay, na? A. A with which one?
Capital B.
A with
Small b.
Small b.
AB. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Gamete with AB. Next gamete.
Capital A, small b.
Here.
Capital B, small b.
Chalo gamete.
Small a,
Small a,
capital
Small
capital B. Small a, small b.
So, what is the proportion? Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
%25 each. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Huh?
No, sir.
No doubt. One more example. Shall we go?
Yes.
So 1 second.
Yo. Okay. This is for trihybrid cross. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how many gametes should form?
Six.
6.
Hmm?
6
Eight.
types.
8. Okay,
Yes,
I will tell
8.
you. I will tell you afterwards. Okay, na? Simply, I will tell you one technique. To find out the type of gamete or phenotype. To find out the
2 to the power n.
type of
Gamma.
or
Phenotype.
phenotype. You must apply 2 power n formula. Here n is number of heterozygotes. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Number is number of heterozygotes. For monohybrid cross, 2 power 1. Huh?
Yes.
Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
How many types of gametes are formed? 2 only, no?
2.
Yes, sir.
Dihybrid cross, 2 power.
2.
2.
Because number of heterozygotes, how many are there?
2.
Just now we find out. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Trihybrid, 2 power.
3.
AA, BB, CC.
8.
8.
Followed up?
Yes,
Confused
sir.
up? So number of heterozygotes, how many are there? 3. So number of gametes formed 8. Followed up?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me. Number of gametes formed.
4 types.
4.
4.
How you know?
So heterozygotes are only 2.
Followed up?
Yes, sir. Yes.
The trick you should follow. Number of gametes formed is equal to number of phenotypes also. 4 types of gametes are formed. In dihybrid, 4 types of phenotypes are formed. No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Trick for genotype. The trick for type of genotypes. How many types are formed? In mono, 3 power n. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In monohybrid, how many are formed genotypes? 3, no?
3.
3.
Like this. This type are formed, no? In monohybrid.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dihybrid, 3 power 2 are.
Yes, sir.
How many types?
9.
9.
9.
Just now you saw, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Trihybrid,
27.
27.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
This is for
Types of genotypes.
next. Number of,
It's also n is number of heterozygous elements, sir.
pardon, na?
For types of genotypes 3 to the power of n, and n is number of heterozygous loneliness, sir.
Number of heterozygous. Types
What?
of alleles, allelic genes. Here,
Okay.
number of pair of alleles. Different types of alleles. How many are formed here? Types of genotypes.
So in that 3 to the power of n is number of heterozygous conditionals.
No, here heterozygous, where it is there, homozygous is also there, no? Heterozygous.
Yes. Yes.
Both heterozygous condition. We can take. Okay, na?
Yes.
So then what does N stand for genotype?
N stands for the
What does N stand for in types of genotypes?
Number of genotypes. N for
No,
number.
phenotypes we wrote 2 to the power of n, and n is number of heterozygous.
Heterozygous condition. What we have considered there? You tell me.
Homozygous.
What we in the case of the gamete formation, what we consider? You tell me.
Heterozygote.
Heterozygotes.
Heterozygote. For number of genotypes, what we consider 3 power n means. What does it indicate? You tell me now. You decide. I've given one example here. Types of genotypes you should consider.
So like we can take N to be the number of characters considered.
Oh, yes. Number of characters also you won't get to. Just like that, just you apply number types. See, for example, what you consider in this case monohybrid T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, small t, small t. What is the formula? 2 or 3 power n? 1. No, correct?
Homozygous.
So what does that 1 stand for is what I'm asking.
Which one, Nana?
Like they like in types of gametes or phenotypes. 2 to the
One means
power n.
minimum 3. 3 you should consider. 3 types.
No,
Here,
sir.
N-
Like
N
in
indicates the minimum number of types of genotypes. Minimum
Okay.
number of types of genotypes, how many possible? In F2 generation? 1, 2, and 3. Correct?
yes.
And in the case of the dihybrid cross, 3 3s are
9.
3 power n. This is minimum type of genotypes. Minimum type of genotypes, how many? How many? Minimum types, possibility. How many, Nana?
3.
3. 3 power 1 means
3.
in dihybrid ratio, dihybrid cross,
3 square 9.
3 3s are
9.
9. And trihybrid ratio,
27.
so you should consider minimum types. Okay, na? Multiple with 3, multiple of 3s. Okay, na? Any doubt about it? Still. Next one is. Next one, Nana. Number of zygotes. Number of zygotes means number of progeny. Here, what is the formula you should apply for this? 4 power n. N means minimum, you should take 4 here. Number. Okay, na? Monohybrid, you tell me. Dihybrid. Trihybrid.
How can we be taking N minimum as 4, sir?
In monohybrid cross, how many you got? Total
Then
number?
sir, N minimum should be 1. No? So then 4 to the power 1 is
Oh,
2.
in the F2 generation, I'm talking. Total number, how many?
4.
4.
4 I'm taking. In dihybrid, multiple of 4s, how many?
16.
Trihybrid, multiple of
64.
like that. Okay, na?
Yes.
In trihybrid, total number of progeny is how many?
64.
64.
Suppose if you take trihybrid, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Trihybrid. 1, 2, 3. For gametes or phenotypes. Next, genotypes. Next, total number of zygotes or progenies. This is
Progeny.
phenotype. What is the formula? 2 power
N. 3. 8.
3 power,
3.
3.
3. 27.
4 power.
3.
3.
So total
8.
8.
8.
8,
total
27.
27, 64.
total
64.
followed up.
Yes.
For diagram, you tell me.
2 part 2.
2 part 2.
4.
3 part 2.
Part 2.
4
4
part
part 2.
Part 2.
How many types of
4.
gamete?
4.
9.
16.
16.
Okay, na? Monohybrid.
2, 3, and
4 power 1, 3 power 1, 4 power 1.
2, 3, 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
yes.
So this you can remember. That is more than sufficient. Okay, na? So this type of questions they will ask. Be careful. Okay. Now we can go for 4-line method for the try.
1 minute, sir.
Now you tell me what I should write here now. Please tell me. This is tetrahybrida, trihybrida,
Tetrahybrid.
Tetra.
tetrahybrid. Tell me how I should divide now. 4-line method. First I should take A na.
Yes, sir.
Next small a na.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Combinations. Now you tell me. First we go for trihybrid. Please tell me.
Capital A.
B,
Capital B, small.
capital B, small b.
Yes, sir.
Capital C, small c.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A, B, C.
Yes, sir.
A, B, small c.
Yes, sir.
Capital C, small c. A, small b, capital C. A, small b, small c. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
Here 4 types are formed no? From this combination.
Yes, sir.
Again with this combination, again 4 should be formed no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What I should write here? Same thing, no? Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Small a with capital B. Small a with small b. Next, capital B with
Capital C, small c.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Small a, capital B, capital C. Next,
Small a, capital B, small c.
next,
Small a, small b, capital C.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
No, you got this method is known as
4-line method.
for gamete formation. Any doubt?
No, sir.
How many types? What is the formula? 2 power 3, no?
Yes, sir.
How many
8.
types? 8 types are there.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Followed, no? Followed up. Still any confusion? Any confusion?
No, sir. Sir, 8 types of phenotypes, no, sir?
No. 8 phenotypes also 8. Number of types of gametes formed equal to
Number of types of phenotypes formed.
Found. Here, how many genotypes can be possible?
3 par 3.
Progenies
4
4
4
par
par
3.
3.
4 par 3.
followed up.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Last part is left. Tomorrow I will explain polygenic inheritance. That only, no?
Yes, sir.
Polygenic. That is the last part of your syllabus. Your
Yes.
syllabus up to there only, no.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow I will complete.
Sir.
Half an hour time I require. Afterwards, and the one thing, you must do the MCQs from your material, then you will get different types of doubts. You can clarify with me.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? I will send the assignment, just you go through it. Okay, na?
Okay,
Any
sir.
doubt?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Those
Bye,
formulas
sir.
you have taken, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Noted.
Okay. Bye.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.